So we have this Papé Warehouse Design Center here in Seattle. It's been a while since we had a good group of customers come here to see all the things we have to offer. The last thing we want is someone to be injured because of something that could be avoided. Let's celebrate National Forklift Safety Day to raise awareness about the importance of forklift operator training, promote workplace safety, and reduce preventable accidents involving forklifts.
What we have over here is the Pedestrian Awareness Camera System. It has a left and right lens, and it sees just like humans see. So we've trained the AI model to understand what a pedestrian is. So we don't have to see a full body to alert and let you know that a pedestrian is within proximity of the equipment. What the operator will receive is an audible and a visual alert that a pedestrian is in proximity to the equipment. Your operators are focused on the front half of the equipment on the forks, moving material. Someone inadvertently walks around a corner and they're backing up, pinning them between another piece of equipment. That's where this comes in, and we're trying to prevent those type of interactions. It can be factory fit, but it also can be retrofitted out in the field to all of your other equipment as well.
The heart of this whole system is the ADS, which is Advanced Dynamic Stability. It's constantly measuring that center of mass, that stability triangle, as we're going different speeds, going different directions, load, how high the load is. It's constantly taking all these different data points, and we're trying to assist the operator as much as we can. I'm gonna have Larry back into this cone, full speed. Boom. So we'll show you the decel. What you're essentially doing is you're kind of buying time, right? At the end of the day, what we're trying to do is we're trying to give more time to the operator to make a change to prevent some sort of collision with a person, another truck, a rack, something along those lines.
Let's say you've got a 12-foot aisle. What are you going to do with that 16-foot load? If there's enough space, you bring it up and over, what we call in like an airplane mode, where you're hovering over other product, potentially pedestrians, other equipment. One of the leading causes of tip-over events is having product up high. It also happens to be the most deadly event in any forklift accident. With the use of the four-directional machine, we're able to take that 4-foot deep, 16-foot long load, and we can operate an 11-foot aisle. So it's a much safer way to handle it.
Are you guys familiar with what an autonomous mobile robot is versus like an AGV? So I'm Jacob Nas. I'm with Papé Material Handling. I'm the robot specialist for the Pacific Northwest. I've been with Papé Material Handling for over 10 years. Some of the really neat aspects that I benefit is just being able to come into the customer environments and be able to see what their operations are. Usually when they see the robots with me and they're moving around, they're just having an absolute blast being able to push a button from a tablet on their little workstation app and have that auto come right back to me. They're honestly getting so much great benefit from just having these autos around. With the OSHA regulations and autonomous mobile robots, there's not anything that's actually a direct relevance to autonomous mobile robots in the workplace. However, there is most definitely the guidance of being able to maintain a safe work environment, trip hazards, all the same warehouse forklift safety still applies with the autonomous mobile robots as well.
We have operator training, and then where we can, we have technology that assists that. I mean, simple things like backup alarm, strobe light, but we want people to have a good work experience and go home safe. The feedback from the customers was great. They walked away with more knowledge. They learned about new technology. Of course, they all walked away with safety vests, safety glasses, and it was just an overall great experience.